So these are the rain clouds of a huge storm that just passed through Los Angeles. This is January, and the rain fell on this roof and it went down the gutter, but instead of going into the street like it normally would, it actually went into the gutter, and then it went into this filter here. This filter is called a clean rain. It actually purifies the water before it goes into this 5,000 gallon rainwater harvesting system. Of course, we're still working on the project, but I came to check up on this to see if it really works. And interesting thing about this is that the dirty water of the first flush, so to speak, goes out here, comes out here, and then that actually did go out to the street. However, after about 5 minutes of rain coming down, then it goes into this pipe, goes there, and then it goes into here. So this is a rainwater harvesting system. It's 15 by 15 wide, and it's 4 feet deep. And we have these eco rain boxes, 71 double boxes. That's the formula. We put a couple of corrugated black pipe, 18 inches, and you can see that's where the water came in from the roof. And we waterproofed it with this EPDM 45 millimeter liner along with landscape fabric. And so there it is. And so the waterfall is much stronger today because the water pressure is pushing down more on the pump, so you actually get more pressure. So check that out. Waterfalls, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 waterfalls. So this is the future home of the Degnan Farm. It's one of several Los Angeles farms that is actually going to be growing food as a community service agriculture. And the difference between this and all the other CSAs in the United States and the world is that this farm will be recycling and reusing the same water over and over again. And this is part of the system, the 5,000 gallon rainwater harvesting system. We're going to build a patio on this after everything gets done. So I just wanted to show you it really works. I'll lift this cover up and show you. Yep, that's these last rains brought about 4,000 gallons of water. So we're about 80% there, and we don't even have all the gutters hooked up yet. Just this one gutter takes about half the roof there, probably about 300 square feet is of the roof, and so it almost filled it all the way up. So imagine how quickly it'll fill up. So very, very exciting things for LA. Things are happening. Rainwater harvesting made beautiful. There it is. That's how we roll. Thanks for joining.